So you've decided to take up pickleball. You want an edge? Do Pilates. Now, Pilates is great for any sport, but here's why it's great for pickleball. First, Pilates helps strengthen your focus and control, mind, body, and all that. Pickleball requires focus. Pilates requires concentration. You can't be thinking of other things while doing either one. Next, there's a lot of twisting at the waist in pickleball. You need to be able to twist your torso strongly and with control in order to hit or to pivot to get the ball. Pilates gives you strong abs, strengthens and protects your back, and gives you much more power in that twisting action. It also helps prevent injury as you twist. Pickleball also requires strong arms and legs. Now, Pilates is primarily an ab workout, but it's also a full body workout. Pilates will work your arms and legs too. Being a full body workout, Pilates helps develop strength and control throughout your entire body with flexibility. And this is really important in pickleball. It's a sport where you don't know where the ball is going to be. You don't know in what direction you need to move. It's not like you can anticipate too much in advance of where the ball will be or where you need to have your body or your arms, your legs, etc. Pilates helps develop that strength with that flexibility to help you not only play, but to also keep you injury free. Pilates can also help with foot strength. Now, you may not think about Pilates or pickleball being about your feet, but how could they not be? How could pickleball not be about your feet when you're on your feet the entire time? Hopefully on your feet anyway. And even though a lot of Pilates is done on a mat, it still is working your feet. And if you are a pickleball player, talk to your Pilates teacher about giving you a few additional foot exercises to strengthen the muscles of your feet. One more thing that Pilates can help you with is that Pilates teaches you that your arm movements come from your back, from the back of your shoulder blade. In pickleball, you have the option of either hitting a ball with your arm or with your entire back and abdominals and entire body. Which shot do you think is going to be more powerful? It's the one using your whole body. Pilates teaches you how to do that. So use Pilates to help improve your pickleball game. Your opponents won't know it hit them.